Okay, so welcome back. So we're going for a hike, and I thought कि Yahya का थोड़ा सा ना उर्दू का टेस्ट है कुछ दिनों में, and I have to prepare him for that. उसमें कुछ words हैं that he should be able to read them. ठीक है? So we have done a lot of activities at home, and now I thought कि चलो हम hike पे जा रहे हैं, मैंने उसके flashcards बनानी है, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide those on the way, different जगहों पे सामने कहीं रख दूँगी, and Yahya is just gonna try to look for them, you know, just like treasure hunt. He's gonna pick them up and then he will read it, and this way, you know, उसकी और अच्छी memorization हो जाएगी sort of on words. ठीक है? So let's just begin. Great! These are the words that Yahya will read on the way. Let's collect them. Yes, good.
लेकिन इसका टेल है बहुत बड़ा पूरा मुंह ही
You cannot find it. I put it in a really... Yeah, I know. Did you step on it? What is that? Say it hardly.
Good. Yeah, shabash.
Beautiful mountains. Look at the horses. Horses है cows हैं? अच्छा चलो मैं खुश होगी horses हैं.
This fence.
What is it?
Fence.
Did you see a Vance on the way? No, we didn't. That was a guy. Vance is black.
Whenever there was a car that stopped.
Where is that? क्या word है ये?
Sila.
ठेला. It's ठेला. मैं भी गलत बोलूँ. क्या word है ये?
Bear.
Yeah, भेड़.
I think there were sheep here.
Huh?
Dragonfly.
They might be. There might be.
Dragonfly.
Oh yeah, lots of dragonflies.
Dragonfly.
Ui.
And a goatee.
Next word is patak. Let's see if Yahya can find it.
And a goatee.
I cannot go, do you?
I do try to go way to a...
Yeah, I'm putting some words for Yahya to read. Placing them in different...
I know, but I feel like these are a bit sharp.
Okay, no, they're not really. What's the word? Patak. Take की आवाज नहीं निकलती है ना? Oh, Ziyad, come back.
And that cow.
Move aside. They need some space. He will get a bit scared of you. Be careful. Oh, look, number 2 under you.
चिपक गया पीछे की तरफ जाना है पीछे की तरफ
नंबर 2 है.
नहीं लोहे के कांटे को
Did it hurt you?
No, तो खत्ते करते हैं. No? Not really. मैं तो मैंने कहीं कांटे कट्टे कर
करीब भी हुए जो मामा को भी दो डैडी गिव सम टू मामा थैंक यू शादी तो उधर ही देखे जा रहे हैं.
He's making a video, not a picture.
Oh.
Now you guys start doing monkey business, right? मुझे ये पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. हमें वीडियो में
उसके अंदर से निकाल लेना.
I think one of your paper is hidden somewhere.
ये लो यार
Huh?
वो देखो इस ट्री में है बनाना।
Yay! What is that
You
word?
just want it?
तुम्हें चाहिए बनाना?
दे दे।
Poya.
Hey? What is it?
Poya.
Po.
Poya. I don't
Poda.
like that
Yeah,
word.
you don't like that word because you've seen what poda is.
Oh, lovely to try.
You need to look for something around you. Baba hid it somewhere.
Mama, come.
Keep walking and look on the right. Keep looking on the right. Yay! What is it? Like this. Chalo. What's that word? Get it? Oh, it's gonna fall.
Thela.
थैला। याया का थैला कहाँ है? मामा ने रखा है बैग में। उसमें याया अपने थैले में रॉक्स जमा करेगा ना? ज़ियाद, get it for याया। चले याया पकड़ लो उससे।
Wait,
मुझे दे दो ज़ियादी, मामा को दे दो।
wait.
चल, बाबा ने दूसरा भी आपका हाइड कर लिया, लास्ट वाला। The last one. I can already see it. Look right, look left.
You want a hint? Something green is holding me.
Could it be a plant?
It's a bit high up.
It's where Mama is. It's where Mama is standing. It's in the same line where Mama is standing. Finally, you found it. Finally. That's the last word, and I think you know how to read that already. What is it?
Thali.
Is it pa? How many dots are there?
Thali.
Thali. Thali. Allahu Akbar. We're going high up. This Ziyad को सीधी सीधी वॉक नहीं करनी थी and he said he wants to hike. So हम बीच में से रास्ता निकाल के ऊपर जा रहे हैं and अब वो थक भी नहीं रहा. सीधी रास्ते पे थक रहा था, इस रास्ते पे he is not tired. He wants to keep going all the way up. You have a funny brother. The view on the top is always amazing. Hi! Hi, Ziyad!